Hello everybody, welcome back to Seb's RC Obsession. Wanted to do a follow-up to the video I did the other day about my Vorteks 3200kv motor seizing up on me. This mess right here is one of the bearings out of that motor. Came out in pieces. Even some looks like shrapnel, but obviously from the bearing itself. And there's a couple of pieces even stuck inside the motor body still. I'd say end cap bearing still looks good. It's in good condition. This thing is a mess. I even wiped a bunch of it off, and it's had a ton of dirt on it. Still does, apparently. And this little gem right here is the rest of what's left of the bearing, and it's stuck on there pretty good. So that's going to be interesting. It's the third day since I sent Horizon Hobby a warranty repair replace email. Still haven't heard back from them. And then here is let me show you the inside of the motor, if I can get that light right without blinding anybody from the reflection. There we go. And some little pieces of metal down the side too, but just caked with dirt. It's pretty sad. And it comes from the bottom of this case being open and loose dirt getting pulled inside. So I'll do a follow-up later to let everybody know what's going on with the Horizon Hobby response. Also want to give a shout out to RC Lee. I just saw this video yesterday, I believe. He went to the trouble of finding out the sizes of these bearings, and I'll put links to them down below, because I'm obviously gonna wind up doing what he did and buying a 10-pack of each of them, because this is a smaller size than this one. So obviously very important to have on hand. Anyway, if you have any ideas about if I should even bother with this motor, trying to clean it out, or a way to clean it out, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.